Yeah, I think it's very good. You know, they done this for a couple of years and changed the format a little bit. And for us, it's interesting because it's you know, we are busy with the subject. We are busy with the subject of green sustainability, of sustainable tourism, and we try to implement as much as possible. Here in the hotels as well, we have EarthCheck. We are EarthCheck hotels, and on the silver level, and we are working ourselves up to the gold and platinum level for that. We've done a lot of things, and we have also taken things from the conference and implemented them here. And we have taken subjects from them and are still busy with the implementation. So a number of things.